Hey, welcome to another Maker Monday. Today I'm going to be going over how I built and added electronics and lights to this custom mask for the recent Beaux Arts ball. It was a masquerade ball, so I thought what better opportunity to create a little mask and add some lights to it. Let's get right into it.
Alright, so first we head inside the laser cutter. Yeah, that's right, for the first time ever, inside of the laser cutter. We're taking a piece of a kind of a cardstock kind of material, and we are using the laser cutter to cut out all of the pieces of the template. This is just a mask template that I found online. Obviously you can go and draw your own kinds of templates, but this was a nice and quick way of getting this kind of animal themed mask that I was looking to make. Now I'm quickly attaching tape and glue in between each of these pieces. Right when they come off the laser cutter, I trim off the excess material if there is any, and I make sure I do the proper bends over those perforations. Now I'm adding tape and bending them and assembling the mask, and once this part is finished you can get a really clear image of what the final mask is going to look like. Once all of this is set up, I've got a nice paper mask. I could leave it there, but I'm going to go a little above and beyond and add some paint over it and add some lights to it. And the last step here is a bit of soldering. As you can see, I separated a piece of RGB LED lights, and I'm using some hot solder and some wire to reattach them, but over a bit of a bend, so that way I can have the lights in the two different rows seen here light up at the same time and light up the same color.
Well, that wraps up another Maker Monday. Be sure to tune in next week for another build and to learn how to use some of the other cool tools here in the Makerspace. Thanks!